Hello, everyone. My name is Amitabh. I run Cloud Partners and Alliances for Google Cloud in India. I'm super excited to be here today in conversation with Romal Shetty, President Consulting Deloitte India, and Karan Bajwa, Managing Director Google Cloud India, who are here to talk about the Deloitte and Google Cloud partnership in this region and how it's going to help enterprises modernize and adopt cloud technology. Welcome, Romal and Karan. Always a pleasure to have a chance to talk to you. Romal, if I can just begin with you, what have you been hearing from CXOs around technology's role in their roadmap to getting back to business, after these times? And how do you see this alliance between Deloitte and Google Cloud enabling Indian businesses particularly?
Thanks, Amitabh, Karan, and Google for inviting me on this. It's a great question, Amitabh. And one of the things that the CXOs have been speaking is, can I be much more quicker to the market? Can I have much more scalability? Can I have better control over my costs, which means both in terms of OPEX as well as CAPEX? Uh, how can I be, for example, much more virtual in my workplace? So therefore, can we have collaboration sitting anywhere in the world? And Indian promoters typically have been much more hands-on, have been much more in terms of physical proximity, and that is a big change that is happening. So the CXOs are really looking that can we be virtual anytime, anywhere, and some real, quick examples of how some of the tech solutions are really having an impact. So today we clearly see a lot more artificial intelligence and machine learning based demand and sensing tools. This is really about how am I buying better and really powered by the cloud. How do you have actually video based KYC for onboarding new customers? Brick and mortar stores really moving online and actually scaling their e-commerce infrastructure. And really, how do you virtualize things like call center and service operations? And finally, when I look at the Deloitte Google partnership, the way I look at this partnership really is Deloitte is really helping shape and envision the new normal with our clients, right? I mean, you take it whether it's a touchless finance, whether it's digital supply chain or branchless banks. And Google is really bringing the might of the cloud, analytics, and others to enable this vision quickly.
Sure. Thanks, Romal. I think a lot of businesses will be very interested in hearing that perspective. And Karan, what about yourself? I mean, as organizations get ready for the next normal, as they say, how do you believe this alliance can help organizations, reimagine, build, grow, and eventually thrive?
Thank you, Amitabh. This word "new normal," the next normal, has been oft spoken. Let's just talk about a few nuances around what's changed around us and how is that impacting how we will conduct our business, leverage technology, etc. The scale adoption of technology is a foregone conclusion post COVID. The second piece is it's also very clear that we'd come around to realizing or accepting that technology is the enabler of business. The transition that will now happen is technology will get to the fore of the business. And that's going to take a very consultative approach. It's not just about giving technology, but understanding deeply the business and how it'll get transformed with the use of technology. So a very consultative approach is required. The third nuance, in my view, is that given the scale of disruption, people have been trying innovations in technology in pieces in their businesses. I think that innovation will now get adopted on scale. And finally, this is going to be a time of forging new partnerships. I believe that each of these nuances is what Deloitte and Google Cloud can bring alive for customers.
Excellent. Thanks, Karan. I think for what I'm hearing from you both actually is very encouraging because what it's saying is that, out of this crisis is really coming a massive opportunity for customers to do things even better. And maybe I'll use that opportunity to shift to a little bit ahead, right? And Romal, I'll come back to you on this one. As you look at, customers getting out of this crisis eventually and obviously continue to solve their toughest problems. What opportunities do you think lie ahead for these customers, particularly from a perspective of what this alliance can bring to the table?
We clearly see is there is a much higher adoption of digital cloud, AI, new technologies, automation. And the most important thing that is happening is customers are now using this. Earlier it was, okay, can I get a part of my business, digitized? But now they're seeing, can I reimagine my business using digital and cloud at the forefront and using that as a competitive advantage? So that's a very critical difference. And Indian companies, for example, now can actually, in some sense, leapfrog and match their Western counterparts. The second bit is what the pandemic has really caused is, consumer anxiety levels have changed dramatically, right? And it's across the globe. And in India, in fact, we do some research, and in India, the anxiety levels are even far higher than most other countries. So these anxiety levels are really about how they buy, how they travel, how they spend, how they return to the workplace. So this has resulted in much more increased direct to customer, contactless, subscription, anything as a service, and online business models. The third bit is really in terms of the virtual workplace, right? The ability to work from anywhere, anytime, with anyone without needing physical proximity. So businesses now are sort of reshaping how, when, where, and by whom work gets done. And the opportunity for Indian businesses really to relook at their business models and say, can we rediscover our customer? Are we operating in the right space? Should we, or how should we reopen stores? Can we deliver the rapid online commerce? How can we elevate human experience? I mean, how can we achieve sales and service excellence? How can I orchestrate a digital supply chain? How can I do all of this stuff by actually being virtual and having the right operating model? So, in that sense, both Google and Deloitte are really bringing the best in terms of whether it is in terms of the business models, the business processes, whether it is in terms of the technology infrastructure, cloud, to really reshape and help companies, for example, have that competitive advantage.
Thanks for that perspective. And Karan, coming back to you on the same question, in the sense that from your lens, what opportunities do you see coming out of this in terms of what customers can expect from this partnership?
Look, this partnership's coming at a time, especially reinvigorating at a time when a lot is changing around us. And this disaster has been a great equalizer in many forms. The scope and scale of technology adoption by customers is going to be unprecedented. And that's going to brings this to life in a very different way. The very strong consulting and professional services capability of Deloitte, along with the technology capabilities that Google brings, uh, is going to be a key anchor in helping customers meet the scale of the digital aspiration that they're going to now go out with. Both organizations are working together to help companies build a virtual workplace of the future. So they have high quality access to mission critical applications, as I said earlier, by leveraging key technologies like VDI, etc., from Google. So that's a consultative approach plus a technology. Contact centers of the future. That's an interesting nuance. Deloitte will build on the contact center AI capability from Google to really deliver customized solutions for specific enterprise needs, which include improved customer experience, personalization, and ongoing support to customers. Collaboration is another interesting one. Deloitte is helping Indian clients integrate the Google Cloud collaboration capability, which is G Suite, into their organization, and that's a fundamentally cloud native capability. Allows organizations to collaborate in a very very different way and really help that advanced workplace communication, collaboration, and security. And finally, leveraging the power of the data and AI stack, Deloitte is building customized tools to help organizations drive efficiencies across their planning, budgeting, forecasting, and demand management processes. So it's pulling together all these capabilities, wrapping around with massive consultative capability required to help customers adopt this technology on scale unprecedented. I believe it's an unprecedented opportunity for this partnership to really help customers scale in the future.
Thanks, Karan. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you for your thoughts. I loved hearing from you, and I look forward to working together. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you,
Thank you.
Lata. Thank you. Thank you.